Magkano nga ba talaga ang daycare sa Canada, particularly here in Newfoundland? We have unregulated daycare and regulated daycare. Pag sinabing regulated daycare, ito yung may subsidy ng gobyerno. Kaya ang binabayaran lang ng mga magulang or guardian ay $10 per day at meron na din tong healthy snacks and healthy lunch. Usually, ang time niya is from 8 a.m. hanggang 4 to 5 p.m. Pag naman unregulated, ito yung walang subsidy ng government. So usually, it ranges from $40 per day to $65 or even higher. It also comes with snacks and lunch. Tapos around ganun din yung time niya, usually 8 hours or pwedeng flexible depende sa needs ng parents. Kaya lang dito sa province namin, especially yung dumating kami, pahirapan talaga makakuha ng regulated daycare. Nung nag-sign up nga ako, pang number 85 daw ako. Good luck! Finally, after 10 months of waiting at kakakulit sa kanila, kakatawag every other month, may slot na si Gianna. Actually, ang habol namin is hindi lang basta may magbabantay during the day or habang nagtatrabaho kami, but more of like exposure, socialization with other kids. Usually, ang payment mode ay monthly in advance and then debit card. Since monthly payment siya and in advance, kung meron mang biglang suspension of classes o kaya winter storm o kaya naman nag-absent ka or may sakit yung bata, na yun maibabalik. Unang linggo medyo may pag-iyak si Gianna but afterwards, sobrang okay siya and ang dami na niyang friends kaya tuwang-tuwa naman kami. Few months pa lang siyang pumapasok pero kitang-kita na namin yung progress. So, worth it ba yung $10 per day or 400 pesos for 8 hours? Oo, worth it na worth it.